Hello, we are in the workshop for food loss and waste, and I will ask a question: how can we prevent food loss and waste in the world? And can you introduce yourself shortly and then answer how can we prevent food loss and waste in the
Sure.
world?
Hi everyone, I'm Shari Alfay Halubang. I'm from the Philippines and I'm working at the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development. Okay, so how could we reduce food loss and waste? In the Philippines, actually, food waste is not, we are doing very well as compared with other countries, but it's waste nonetheless, so we have to address it. But I think for our case, our focus is more on the food loss, especially during from the production up to before it reaches the retail. So what we could do is um, to look for scalable technologies that we could use to do like valorization of food waste. But as a human being in this world, I think the basic things that we could do to reduce waste is to just buy what you need,
Yeah.
avoid overstocking of food,
Okay.
and I think we should teach the young people, our children, to be more aware of the food that they eat, be more conscious about it, especially the portion that they eat and they consume.
And actually, as far as I understand, most of the countries employ some programs for school
Right.
students, but the most important thing also to educate families, and
That's
the
true.
families start to teach their
Yeah,
students, right? Their
that's true.
sons.
That's
So,
true. Values formation
yeah.
is very important, especially in the family being the smallest unit of society.
Yeah.
So I think really we have to teach our children.
Yes.
Charity begins at home, they
Yes.
say. So and then as they go in the formal education, that would be that inculcation of values would be stronger, I think.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
accepting our video.
It's my pleasure
Thank
too.
you very much.
Thank you.
My name Ahmad Zamroni. I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
And can I ask you, how can we prevent food loss and waste in the world?
Yeah. As we know, the population in the world is growing very fast,
Yeah.
and we should prevent or anticipate these things about the food loss and waste because economically it's very give the big impact.
Yeah.
So the first one in for my point of view,
Yeah.
this is we start from changing our mindset
Yes.
how to say to buy the food and also to say manage our waste in our household or family.
Yes.
This at least in personally and in family we should change our mindset
Yes.
and behavior.
It is very important,
Very
right,
very
to
important.
reduce the food loss and waste.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
And then more general,
Yes.
we need to how to say uh, widely collaboration
Okay.
between many stakeholder, various stakeholder, and
Yeah.
also government,
Okay.
including private, community, association.
Okay.
And the important thing is we need to more involve community participation. This is a very important
Yes.
to how to say to prevent and manage the waste and food loss in the future. Yeah,
Okay.
I think.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, friend. This is Dr. Mohammad Riaz. I'm working as the Dean of the Faculty of Food Science and Nutrition, Bahauddin Zakir University, Multan. It's one of the biggest universities from Pakistan. Yes, the world at this time is facing huge problem with regard to the food losses, particularly in the fruits and vegetables. There are the losses which we have to face around 40-45% in the developing countries, while in the cereal crops it goes up to 30%. The reason behind basically is that in the developing countries we have no infrastructure for the preservation, processing. The farmers have no latest advanced tools for not going the lose of their ripe crop. Moreover, the major reason of the waste is that our behavior, which we are needed to be make better, particularly at the school age. The students or the kids should be taught about the significance and the importance of the food, because this is a sacred thing from the nature. We should not spoil a single grain of which is of much significance. It takes a lot of time of the farmers to sow and then grow it and then send into the market. So the change of the behavior is of much significance, as well as the farmers are given the trainings and the tools particularly, and the government should make the policies in order to facilitate the farmers, as well as to coordinate among various sectors of the government, where there are various ministries which are working for the purpose of the food, including the agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture, Public Health Ministry, Ministry of Food Security, Ministry of Health, etc. So they should coordinate each other. They should make a wing for the coordination, for the collection of the data, for growing of the crops, and the crops should be grown as per the demand from the market. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.